Welcome to IndusAyush. I'll show you how to add and manage your blood pressure records. To create new entry, click on blood pressure under the tool section and then select new blood pressure. Here, enter your systolic value, diastolic value. Then choose the date and time of the reading or the uploading time if you are adding a previous reading. Once you are filled in the details, click on Save. Your blood pressure record will now appear in the list below. If you ever want to make changes, simply click on the edit icon next to the entry. Update the values you want to modify and then click save again to store the changes. This feature helps you track your blood pressure easily and maintain clear history of your health readings. That's how you can manage your blood pressure records with IndusAyush.